we are going to focus on dividing polynomials using long division method. So let's start with our example 6x square minus 2x minus 28 with 2x plus 4. The 2x plus 4 we have to write outside. 6x square minus 2x minus 28 we have to write inside. First we have to divide 6x square and 2x. So we will get 3x. This 3x we have to write in the quotient. After dividing we have to multiple 2x and 3x, 6x square plus 4 and 3x plus 12x. We all know that the division we have to change the sign. Here plus 6x square becomes minus 6x square. Here plus 12x becomes minus 12x. We have to cancel this. After this minus 2x and minus 12x it becomes minus 14x minus 28. Then next we have to divide minus 14x by 2x. Here minus and plus it becomes minus, so x and x cancel, minus 7. We have to write the minus 7 at the quotient. Then after dividing we have to multiple minus 7 and 2x plus 4. Minus 7 into 2x minus 14x plus 4 into minus 28. Then we have to change the sign. So 0. Our remainder is 0. 6x square minus 2x minus 28 is a dividend. 2x plus 4 is a divisor. And we have a quotient 3x minus 7.